Hello, friends. Welcome to Literary Concepts. In our grammar concepts, today's topic is the present perfect continuous tense. It is a very simple topic, okay, and it is the last topic in the present tenses. So, now let us try to understand about the present perfect continuous tense. So, the present perfect continuous tense, in this tense, we describe actions or events that began in the past and continue up to the present moment. So, in this present perfect continuous tense, so we explain about or we express certain actions or events which started in the past, which started in the past, and the event or the action is continuing even up to the present moment, up to the present time. So such events or such actions, we explain them or express them in present perfect continuous tense. So the principle, the formula of the sentence of present perfect continuous tense. So here in sentence we see subject plus have or has helping verbs plus been plus v1, that is verb 1, plus inform plus object. So, as per this principle, if you just observe here the table, so the pronouns I, we, you, they, so take the helping verb have. Understand? We have to use have. So, with the pronouns I, we, you, they. So the same combination of subject plus helping verb combination we have learnt in the present perfect tense also. The same combination is repeated here also, present perfect continuous. So with the pronouns, the first person pronoun I, okay, the first person plural we, and the second person, okay, singular you, and the third person plural they. With these pronouns we have to use have helping verb. With the pronouns he, she, it, third person singulars, we have to use has when we are writing a sentence or when we are speaking in our conversations. So we have to use have and we have to use has with these pronouns in present perfect continuous tense. So I have been reading a book, we have been reading a book, you have been reading a book, they have been reading a book. So that is how we have to use. And he has been working in a company, she has been working in a company, it has been working in a company. So this table explains you in a very simple manner. So the formula or the principle of the present perfect continuous tense. Understand? So here in this tense, we use certain time markers. Understand? So to explain, so those time markers means denoting or pointing a particular time. So here, the first word, the first time marker is since. Okay, generally we use since and for in the present perfect continuous tense. So since is denoting since, pointing out a particular point in time. So a particular point. So that is the beginning point or the starting point of the time. Since denotes, since indicates the starting point of a time. For example, since 8 a.m., since last Monday, since 2020. These are the example. This is how we use the since and the preposition for. Okay, since and okay, for are prepositions. The for is used for duration of the time. So that is it is indicating a period, a particular period. Understand? So duration to finish a particular action or event, how much time it has taken. So it indicating or denoting a duration of time. So for 2 hours, for 3 days, for 10 years, like this. So here, generally, in present perfect continuous tense, we find these two prominent time markers. Okay, that is since and for, and the signal words to identify a particular sentence. Okay, so these signal words are very easy if that particular sentence is in present perfect continuous tense or not. So to identify that tense or to recognize the tense of a sentence, so we have to observe these signal words or keywords: all day, the whole day, how long, since, for. So if you find these words means maximum that sentence, we okay, that sentence will be in the present perfect continuous tense. So situation, in the present perfect continuous tense, we have only one situation generally which we express. So, express an action which started or which began in the past and going on at present time. Okay, and it is continuing even in the present time. So, the action or the event started. Okay, it was began in the past and still it is going on, still it is continuing in the present time. So such situations we express, okay, in present perfect continuous tense. Example: I have been living in Raidurg since 2018. So he has been working as a teacher for 5 years. They have been playing cricket since morning. So have been, has been working, have been living, have been playing. So these, okay, indicate that present perfect continuous tense. Even see, since, for, since morning, okay, for 5 years, since 2018. This is how we have to identify or recognize a particular sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense. So now let us see some examples. Okay, fill in the blanks or exercises. She dash for her friend for 2 hours. For 2 hours. So it indicates, okay, it indicates that this sentence we have to write it in present perfect continuous tense. The answer will be she has been waiting for her friend for 2 hours. And the second one, we dash in the bracket not speak to each other since the argument. See, since the word, okay, since is there, that indicates the present perfect continuous tense. So, not speak, we have not been speaking to each other since the argument. The next one, dash for the exam all day. So, all day means the whole day, the complete day. So, have you been studying for the exam all day? So, that is the answer. The fourth one, they dash on the project since the last Monday. So, from last Monday onwards, they have been working on the project. It dash heavily for last few hours. Okay, for last few hours, so it has been raining. So these are the some of the examples. In this manner we will get in the competitive examinations, even in our, okay, normal curriculum. Understand, board examinations are in school examinations also. So I hope that this simple concept, okay, you have understood. So if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.